let's create a class in C++. So let me get right to it. Right click on the header file in the Solution Explorer, new item, and class addition.h add. Okay, so I need to use the keyword class and then the name of the class, class addition, and start it out with an opening brace. I like to do private first, so let's do double, add 1, double, add 2, then public, double, add 3, double, add 4. Now I want to do a default constructor, and I use the name of the class, so class addition, and I'm going to give some default values to the default constructor, so add 3, and how about 7.8, and add 4, and how about 2.0. Now I want to have another constructor where I'm going to use the same name again, so class addition, double, add 3, double, add 4, and now I'm going to assign the public to the private. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to do a class function declaration. So double, add it, and double, use the public variables, and I do need a semicolon there, so let me copy that. Now here's how you create the other part of the class. Hover your mouse over the source files, add new item, CPP, use the same name, class addition, and this is the implementation. Now let me paste what I copied before, go back to the main and copy these and paste. I don't need these other ones here, and it may slow things down, so let me comment those out. I do need to include the .h file, class addition.h, and using namespace here, and use it again. Open the scope, and see out, add addition from class. since this is a double, I'm going to do a return, so just add 3 to 4. And let me take a quick look at everything here. I don't need the assert, but it doesn't, well, let me comment that out too. Class addition. Here I need to use something called a scope resolution operator, and I need to use the class name here. And I don't see any problems here. Okay, so let's go back to the main and let's declare some variables. I have them already, so add 5 and 6. Now I need to add the class here. Class add it addition, and then add object. And let's see, did I make a typo? No, but it does. It's looking for the .h. So class addition .h. That'll probably clean up that underline there. Yes. Okay, now let me use that object. It was add object. So cout add object. Let me do a dot here so I have access to those variables in the class. Cout object dot add 4, and we should get the default values for that. It's recommended when using Visual Studio to do this clean and this build. And let's run it. So I have a couple other classes in there, so let me use those for a second here. And you see the 7.82? That's the addition from the class addition class. Thanks for your time.